The arrest of Ovidio Guzman, the son of jailed drug lord Joaquin El Chapo Guzman, has sparked a rampage of violence in the northwestern Mexican city of Culiacan, led by members of his Sinaloa drug cartel. A Mexico City federal judge halted his extradition to the United States on Friday, a day after he was arrested in an intense operation in northern Mexico that led to the deaths of 29 people. According to reports, at least 10 military personnel and 19 suspected members of the Sinaloa drug cartel were killed as gunfire erupted, vehicles were torched, and roads were blocked as the cartel members clashed with the security forces over El Chapo's son's arrest. A further 35 military personnel were injured and 21 gunmen were arrested, Defense Minister Luis Crescencio Sandoval said on Friday. 2 Mexican Air Force aircraft were forced to make emergency landings after they were hit by gunfire from the cartel, Defense Minister Sandoval said. Helicopter gunships were deployed from the authorities to support the ground operation. Mexican President Andrés López Obrador said that Mexican forces had acted responsibly to look after the civilian population and avoid innocent victims. No civilian deaths have been reported. A further 1,000 troops are being sent to Sinaloa to help with the ongoing security measures. Videos on social media have showed burning buses blocking roads in Culiacan. The violence has prompted government authorities to warn residents to stay indoors. The Culiacan and Mazatlan airports have been closed and all the flights had been suspended at the Los Mochis airport until further notice. The Canadian government is urging the Canadians in Mexico's Sinaloa state to limit their movements and to shelter in place. Mexico's Foreign Minister Marcelo Ebrard on Thursday confirmed that there is an arrest warrant in the US dated September 19, 2019, but added that the possible extradition of Guzman would not be immediate due to the formalities of the law. He also stated that Guzman has ongoing legal proceedings in Mexico. On Friday, the judge also suspended a measure that prevented Guzman from communicating with his relatives and his legal team. According to the legal resolution, Guzman's legal team has 3 days to decide whether to ratify the measures they have filed in favor of the client or not. The violence is centered in northwestern Mexico in the state of Sinaloa, specifically the state capital of Culiacan. This is about 1,200 kilometers northwest of Mexico City and the home base of the Sinaloa cartel. Guzman, 32, who goes by the nickname The Mouse, is the oldest son of El Chapo, Mexico's most notorious drug lord. Guzman and his brothers emerged as leaders of one of the 4 factions in the cartel following their father's arrest. Ovidio Guzman was previously arrested by federal authorities in October 2019 but was released on the orders of President Andrés Manuel López Obrador to avoid further bloodshed. His latest arrest comes days before US President Joe Biden and Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau visit Mexico City to attend the North American Leaders Summit. At a news conference on Friday, López Obrador denied that Guzman's arrest was linked to Biden's arrival, saying that Mexican authorities had acted autonomously. His father, Joaquin El Chapo Guzman, is serving a life sentence in the US after being found guilty in 2019 of drug trafficking and money laundering. His trial reveals some of the brutal details of how Mexico's drug cartels operate.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.